In this tutorial, I will show you how to make cool popping text effect. First, select the type tool and click anywhere on the program monitor. Then type your text. Then, in the Essential Graphics panel, you can change the font. I like Montserrat font, so I will pick that one, but you can use any other font you like, for example, Impact, Roboto, or any other. Then you can move the slider to increase the font size and play around with these options to align the text. Next, go to the Effects panel on the left side at the bottom, and in the search bar, type Transform. Drag and drop the effect onto the text. Toggle the scale stopwatch at the start of the clip and set the scale to 0. Then move forward 5 times and set the scale to 110. Then move 3 frames forward again and set the scale to 100. To smooth out the animation, right-click the first keyframe and select Ease Out. Now click the second keyframe and select Ease In. And that's it! For more editing tips, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time!